Hello, it's Marco Rostam here. In today's episode, we are going to look at another project from my latest sample pack, Progresso. In my pack, you will find the most accurate project file you ever see, so you can achieve the sound your favorite producers are using. Also, it has 15 project files, so with the help of this pack, you will learn all these 15 styles very fast. Link is in the description down below. Alright guys, let's go. As always, let's take a look at the lead first. Without the effects, with it on. Then we have a support lead. Together, it sounds like this. For the chord, we have 3 layers. Then we have 5 layers for the bass. All together. Then we have some atmosphere layers. Some downlift too. Some crash, and for the drums we have some claps, hi-hat loops, more hi-hats, some kicks, rise, and other claps together. Before the second drop hits, we have a little fuse. At the end of the second drop, it ends like this. Together. Okay guys, that's the end of today's video. If you want to get this project file, make sure to check the link in the description. And I will see you in the next episode. Take care guys. Bye bye.